Hey everyone, Bob here. Taking a little break from the car restoration to get a couple of the other projects done around the hacienda here before winter comes. One of those includes getting the smoker all the rust sanded down and scraped off and repainted and resealed and everything so it stays nice and good and solid all winter. We live in a wonderful neighborhood, but we have a homeowners association that doesn't allow us to have any trellises or freestanding buildings or pop-up tents or anything basically to cover this up. Thanks, Karen. No barbecue for you. So it sits out in the elements all year long, and it's covered, but it still does get a little bit of rust. On the firebox, it is 1/4 3/8 cold rolled steel, made down in Georgia by Lang Barbecue Cookers. And it is an absolute machine. You love it. The barbecue that this thing puts out is phenomenal. So we like to take care of it and make sure that it's taking care of us and doesn't rust out or have any problems. So here's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna get all the water dried off here and give this a good pressure wash and clean. Get all the junk off of it, spray it with some Goo Gone to get all the fats and junks off of it and everything. Then I've got a whole plethora of tools here. We're gonna use flap discs and air grinders to sand off all of the sand and get it down to not bare metal, but pretty darn close. And then I've got some high heat primer that we're going to be using. This is just what we use. Don't recommend it. Don't not recommend it. And then finishing with a high heat Rust-Oleum to cover it up. And then to make it a little fancy. It's something you'll have to wait for. So let's see what we do with that. What we're going to do is get all the grinders out, grind down all the rust and all the junk. Get everything cleaned out in there. Get it primed, get it painted, and we'll be back smoking Q in no time. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like. I'm trying to build this YouTube channel thing, so if you like just fun stuff, car stuff, barbecue stuff, make sure to check us out. I'll put a link, I don't know, wherever they go, here, there, probably end up right here or something. I don't know, I'm not very good at this yet. So make sure to check out our YouTube, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Smoke on.